Dyslexia can present unique challenges for special needs students, but with the right strategies and support, these obstacles can be overcome. Today, we'll explore how students with dyslexia can thrive in school and daily life.
Hi, I'm Jamie. Living with dyslexia means I sometimes struggle with reading and writing, but I've learned ways to manage it and succeed.
Dyslexia is a learning difference that affects reading and writing skills. It can make it challenging for individuals to decode words, spell correctly, and comprehend text. However, with the right support and strategies, people with dyslexia can thrive academically and personally. It's important to understand that it's not a reflection of intelligence or effort. Many individuals with dyslexia are highly creative and excel in other areas such as problem-solving and critical thinking.
Once I understood what dyslexia was, I realized that it was just a different way of processing information. I felt more confident in finding ways to work with it. Using tools like audiobooks, speech-to-text software, and personalized learning plans has made a significant difference in my educational journey.
In school, there are several strategies that can help students with dyslexia. These strategies are designed to support their unique learning needs and help them succeed academically. Assistive technology like text-to-speech software can make reading easier by converting written text into spoken words, allowing students to better understand the material. Other helpful strategies include breaking assignments into smaller, more manageable tasks, using visual aids to enhance comprehension, and providing clear, step-by-step instructions. Additionally, providing extra time for tests and assignments can reduce stress and give students the opportunity to fully demonstrate their knowledge and skills.
Managing dyslexia extends beyond the classroom. It's a continuous effort that involves various strategies and support systems. At home, using a planner can help keep track of assignments and deadlines. This simple tool can make a significant difference in staying organized and reducing stress.
I use my planner to stay organized. It allows me to break down tasks into manageable steps and ensures I don't forget important dates. It helps me remember what I need to do and when. Having a clear plan makes it easier to focus and complete my work on time.
Reading regularly with family members or friends can also improve skills and build confidence. This shared activity not only enhances reading abilities, but also strengthens relationships and provides emotional support.
Emotional support is crucial. Talking to a counselor or joining a support group can provide encouragement and understanding.
Having people who understand and support me makes a big difference. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Each step forward is a victory. Overcoming dyslexia has taught me that with determination and support, I can achieve anything.
Dyslexia may present challenges, but with the right strategies and support, students can thrive. Remember, you're not alone. Reach out, stay determined, and you'll overcome any obstacle. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more inspiring stories.